material wo ka aenela e beng ka mola ya o se setiwe ya gore o re thoka mare o nyako kwa gore na e a fisha go ba bjang. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and you are welcome. So if you just joined me and you like what you seeing, hit the subscribe button, become a member of this family, put that bell on so that you don't miss any of uploads that I'm going to upload. So it's October. People are doing Vlogtober. I can see already some of the friends that I know, they are on it. Like first videos went out, second videos went out. I think I'll be doing from the third, but I'm gonna try it. If I don't upload every day, it's fine, but I'm gonna try it at least 3 videos a week. Then we see how it goes. This will determine if I will do what do you call this everyday thing, guys. Vlogmas, the one that Christmas, like December time, but I think this is a lot. But I managed to upload Monday to Friday in September, in August. I can't remember, August, September. We are from September. In August, I managed to upload Monday to Friday. So I don't know, or I will be able to do it again Monday to Friday, including Saturday and Sunday. But I can see that Saturday and Sunday they are going to be again. It's gonna be a lot, but I will try, guys. Just I'm getting motivated from other of my friends from this YouTube street. So let's just hit this video and start with the day. Guys, I put those fleece on the sofa there. They are too colorful. It's matchy like green, blue, pink. So for now, I don't mind. I don't care. I'm not gonna buy anything to match for now. I don't have money. But the reason why I am putting these things, blue and red, is because of my son. My son just come from outside with shoes and go straight to the sofa. So I'm protecting the covers. I don't want to put them in water now and then. Excuse me. I need to just wash those two. If I wash 1 and 2, the pink and the blue, I think I'll be fine. And the theme of this corner here, as you see my canvas and the cushions, they are going together and they blend together with the curtain and the wall. But I didn't decide on the color of the wall. They decided for me. Mara ke shapo ka yona ya matcha mola cornering. My problem is those two which I'm not gonna delete. Delete. I'm not gonna remove them now because I don't have money to buy things that I can cover the beautiful ones. So over the weekend, I did laundry. Today is Sunday. I did laundry over the weekend. This is the load. There were 2 because of colors. And I'm going to fold them now. Please fold with me. Normally when I fold my laundry, I will be in the bedroom, putting the laundry on the bed, and I prefer standing up because when I sit down, I feel somehow, especially on my back. And when I am standing, my feet gonna talk a lot. They're telling me they are getting the pressure. So today I just said, let me change the style or whatever. I have this table since when? This year, when? I can't remember. April, May, I think somewhere there. Then it is doing the job. I am liking it. Even when I'm working with a laptop, I use the table. It is so convenient, and you can see how I am folding. I feel nice, guys.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time.
Guys, in an every weekend, I don't iron. I just wash, fold, wash, rinse, fold. That's what I do every weekend, because that wardrobe, if I can show you right now, if I can show you that wardrobe ela epela e kopa kopane. So ironing for me, I want, I iron as I go. So if you iron every weekend, give yourself a pat in the back. You are doing great. You are doing a great job. I wish I can do it, but you know, wardrobe ya go phela le se kamile e diaparo tsa gona di namelana. Awa, I can't. Plus ke nyane, my clothes, our clothes doesn't even fit properly. The kitchen for the wardrobe. So plus the struggle of that iron. I'm gonna show you in a bit what I am using to iron. And tomorrow I am thinking of wearing something ironable, a trouser that is ironable, a red one. So I'll wake up and iron in the morning, then do what? Wait. Because my try guys. It's not happening. Ka mola o toropong ke ka coffee a ke tsore ke ta go bitsa kae a go tsore ke ta hawa. So, and one other thing now, I have a lot more clothes that I do not iron. That's the part that is interesting. Clothes that I have are not, they don't require iron. And if they have, if they give us electricity, guys, I'm going to buy a steam iron. Ka iron ke emi ka dia so vu pisho. I'm staying in the rural, but some of the things I can't be ruralish. So I'm in the rural, but not rural. Our rural areas are developed. I don't think in our sector, our, what do you call, area in vicinity, we don't have that kind of deep rural whereby things are still like deep. They use cow dungs, too much of of barking wood for fire. We have electricity, we have water, even though it's not running every day. That one. So I'm saying I live in the rural, but it's better. It's a better rural area. Even ourselves, we are bettering our lives like that. For those who have enough money, they have running water, they have toilets inside their houses, even if they're in the rural areas. Like my mother's place, when I left there, I made sure that everything is in place. They have toilets. You can see my laundry videos. I'm in a toilet at home, but we are in the rural, so it's just all with the planning. And you are good to be called a rural in the you are urban in the rural. Yeah, I can say we are urban in the rural. So I'm finishing off my clothes. They were not a lot, like I said, they were not a lot. So this is the last one. No, this is not the last one. Others I'm going to hang them. They are dresses, the dresses that I bought the other time I showed you. If you didn't see the haul, please go check it out. The thumbnail has got a red plastic bag holding like that from Truett, so you can go and check my haul there. Already the 2 dresses I won them already, and I love them a lot. So I even showed you on my other videos, I showed you this one is the entry clip of the video. I can't remember the title of the video, but if you can go and check my videos there, I think 2 videos after the haul. So these ones I'm going to hang them. I'm not gonna put it like this because it's a pleated dress, and this one is a material o a kenya ko e aina ko re ebile a kenya ko dia phosho. I don't even want to lie, material o ka ainiela even ka mola ya o se setiwe ya gore o re thoka mare o nyako kwa gore na e ya fisha o ba bjang. I don't want, I'm not gonna, I don't wanna. So go ya aina ke re la straight to the hanger. So I'm done. I'm gonna show you. It's just a small thing. So this is the things, the laundry that I did over this weekend. I should have done it with hands though. That was man.
To be alive, just you